Visualizing. A key to better reading in English. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're diving into a very important reading strategy called visualizing. This skill can make reading more enjoyable, and more importantly, help you understand and remember what you're reading better. Visualizing, in the context of reading, is the act of creating images in your mind based on the text you're reading. This is not just about seeing with the mind's eye, but also involving other senses. You might imagine sounds, smells, tastes, or feelings that are described in the story. Visualizing brings the story to life and makes it more engaging and easier to understand. Visualizing enhances comprehension because it allows you to connect with the text in a personal and meaningful way. You engage more parts of your brain when you visualize, and this helps you remember details better. Also, visualizing can make reading more fun. You're not just passively looking at words, you're actively creating a movie in your head. Let's get practical now. When you read a piece of text. 1. Picture the setting. Where is the story taking place? What does it look like? What's the weather like? 2. Imagine the characters. What do they look like? How do they sound? How do they move? 3. Feel the action. If the characters are running, imagine the sensation of running. If there's a description of a meal, imagine the taste and smell of the food. Remember, it's not about getting everything right. It's about using the text to inspire your imagination. Let's try a simple example. If you read a sentence like, "The sun set over the tranquil sea, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange," you can close your eyes and imagine this beautiful scene. You could almost feel the calmness of the sea and the warmth of the colors in the sky. That's visualizing. That's it for today, folks. I hope you're as excited about visualizing as I am. It's a wonderful skill that can make reading in English more enjoyable and effective. Keep practicing this strategy, and you'll notice your understanding and memory improving. Happy reading and visualizing!